It was a bright spring morning for truck driver John Doe when he was fast approaching an intersection controlled by a traffic light. About 60 feet beyond the intersection was a railroad grade crossing with another traffic light, plus signal arms and bells to warn of an approaching locomotive. Since both traffic lights were green, Doe proceeded and was a few feet from the tracks when the light at the grade crossing had just turned red and the gates were descending. If he stood on the brakes, the Mazda 6 that presumably was still tailgating his rig would surely run smack into his trailer underride guard. Doe decided to floor the accelerator and crack! The signal arm had descended upon and severely mangled the right side mirror and cracked the windshield. Since Doe contested the preventable accident warning letter from his safety director, the National Safety Council's Accident Review Committee was asked to render a final decision. To Doe's dismay, NSC ruled against him, noting that it's better to risk being rear-ended by a small car than being sideswiped by a freight train. In short, Doe should have panic stopped.